Doesn't mean something.
Your friend of foot bath.
I do it on my one.
Foot bath. Foot bath. I say bath.
Okay.
So oko big farms away. Oko big farms are. Before I say obe enter farm no more. Sometimes be man stand away room.
I did our day.
We see now with him ni we
Chemicals.
room. Ebe wash one as. Inti nkale ba na o mpo bo nka beti. But you see say me buy me some mpo.
Yeah.
Me dey buy inside. Sin bi bana se me ni ha. Sama nka sama nkom wa bra nipa na nka se koma na ewu. Ombo mka. Like the one be na san kokon no so say ebu omu yem. Say ngosi awo mu yem na say omu tutu dam na. Ano etum bogu omu yem, bogu omu yem say omu bewu. They know me because first 3 days omu dey kokon no be ba no. Chicks no omu tutu akwa obedo omu nche for 3 days.
How do you
One coffee, one that so one that. Yeah, because omo be share one side say ombe
one side say
to so omo nya be bro one side say ombe bibe jenji na bisu na de.
Okay.
And omo me right off so the same thing ombe to ombe. And a little noise they will hear no. Yes, and he said them listen ombe unti. I say anytime bia them 3 days in the first 2 days in Charlie. But I say feeding near the enum. By this time now, by this time say me niha. I was saying me rush because it is getting to their time.
Okay.
Almost 4 minutes.
Okay.
Until that by this time, maybe I will be. I was saying me rush in the middle. Now I'm dead and go go. We feeding trough.
Feeding what?
Trough.
Feeding trough.
Feeding trough. You can choose to hang it, but it is better for you to hang it.
Okay.
Because if you place it on the floor, they will spoil the food.
Okay.
They will not eat. And this is they are laying this. This thing is where they lay.
It's time for them to lay.
They will come here because they know that this is the place that they have to lay. From the starting, you will know because
so they don't lay on the ground just like that.
It's like if the bed is starting new.
They will definitely be laying on.
Yes.
It goes on. No one can say what's issue. One can say like action what's issue.
No.
They themselves.
One can say baby show. One time say they go to omo I ready but omo be say wait aba.
Wow.
And if they are ready to, this is one sentence for you to know that this bed is ready to lay. They are comb. And the water. Water. Okay. It is a better now going to be to naturally ready to lay. So if say eggs are benima, a better ni pe iye dey are na go to be to. Obeko.
So I ready there.
A bro. You runners one I will be. Say someone started on Mulia. What's your number? Like a small MP. Like that's some small bed began. We need an MP. We need an MP. Into say, into what where you come, and I wear your water. Yes. Into say, wait a minute. Abba, into wait a minute or a layer. Auto. By this time, no, 100% laying. And I said, "Pedro, there are good layers, sir." Esha, once or two. There's some 2 bones you are need to add it. At the back to me, say, question man at the door, a good layer.
Wow. Charlie, I'm proud of you. The way we are good students now, sign we work practical code, no. Wallahi.
See, one of Janya, you can see from their comb. I think so. We mean, yes, yes,
They say we so no
so sometimes it will not depend on only on their comb.
Okay.
So sometimes you have to check down here. This is echo.
Fingers there.
Echo.
Say on mukotuma. Or a good layer.
Between the sake bones to do na. This is what you say to bones to in neck question.
Yeah.
Nature say obetuma ato.
Okay.
Say a move by nature say or a good layer. And a good layer be also. Neni no a bright.
Okay.
A bright na we need to bright. Comb now we a bright.
Wow. You have experience.
See, so kuko na ngasa mu a good layers, but due to some draining and distance, improper. Yes, some come from outside.
Okay.
No, I think they need any chart.
Okay.
The from kukomba need any chart, feeding chart and medication chart now.
I don't really understand.
If you
the viewers in one task.
If you go for a best like chicks, if you go for them, first day that you go for them, they will give you a feeding chart.
Who will give you? The person that you are purchasing the chicks from?
Yes. Okay. They will give you, the company will give you a feeding chart, then medication chart.
Okay. So they follow.
Yes, you have to follow properly. Okay. But we were having the medication chart, but we were not having the feeding chart.
So you guys were using your own
normal this thing, our own idea to feed them. Not knowing that the feed that we are giving to them is not enough for them.
Okay. Wow.
So later on we came to know that no, Charlie.
So then you are picking up the experience. Next time won't happen.
Yes.
Okay.
Even this thing is not that next time won't happen. Like I auntie him. Okay. But we know Oma may chat in a day Omuka some me feeding chat and say chim.
Didn't the man request for chat?
We requested for it, but who say ono kwajin kokonaban it was too late. Won't call daytime.
Okay.
Until no okwe no say like pressure nti. Okay. You feel no jai or by medication chat and then they can end their OCC and somebody feeding by at
more than emotion no prevent more from you because my actually was one per poultry farming. Why something there? Why something there? On solve me.
What's up? So the what's up?
I'm Mr. Rako.
Why something there?
My farmer, but you need to me.
Due to unze nkukone say maybe sometimes.
What's the way you nkuko uba?
That's why I have to prevent that disease, no? Because if you follow the this thing, the chart, no, BBI also first day, draw also one, second day, third day, up to I think 18 weeks, I think so. No do this. So when to my father made doing more.
So
like
the medication chart or I had you there in Kuko.
Yes.
Wobo there.
Kuko you almost 700. You budu amono. You budu amono. 1 penny a week.
Wow.
Yes.
White layers. White layers.
We are white layers. We are best layers. Like almost one kasa.
What is the difference between what is the price difference between the brown and the white?
The same. Almost the same.
That's not very good now. Come on to white no question.
It will depend. I request now. I request now.
Okay.
Wait a minute, brown request. I request sometimes it will depend on how the company will hatch the best. No? Okay. It is a request. I'm quite into fabbing count. So then I request them be 1,000 brown bears. Maybe them bone the white for what I mean to me.
So my point in that sir, you the white or good layers. Why don't you rather request more of the white bears than the brown?
Everything there is disadvantage.
I understand. We move
and they die a lot. Like they don't have strength like the browns.
Okay, so there it makes sense. But can it be a situation whereby the brown or white in our in one pen like sometimes
They are not this thing. Omo ya akrafo. They are rivals.
one can.
Omunka.
Hey.
So if you catch this one like this, then go and put it there. Like
They will kill
like 2 minutes.
dying.
Finish. Ẹna sẹ yẹn ọmụ sọ ọmụ yẹ mpanyinfo a nka wọkye baako bẹtọ a ọno kora nka only 1 minute mpo. White na ọmụ yẹ stubborn. Ọmụ to so n sẹ look at their age o ba ṣe ọmụ kọm bibi edu.
Nti we wan start the wole.
No. But you say mama kyerɛ no kɔm na wate you say at this age you say eba.
Yeah.
Ọmụ dị na ọmụ dị yin but as for the Browns ọmụ na agye sɛ ọmụ yin na ọmụ do stage bi ansana. So this one about 2 months transfer but on ba. I think say on yellow maybe see. Osa, nti ọmụ man access to feed.
One woman access to feed.
Painful.
Oh, what's why we keep pan?
No, I'm not. Wait a minute. If you have like okay, then po. Coronavirus, crab, don't know what it. Isolation room. Nti ba fa wọn ma wosu sọrọ wọ mu na wọn tẹ no wọn didi no. Ebi ti dẹ sẹ ma no wa efi ọ na me. Wait, di ọkọ no wait. Yẹn tẹ no mo didi nti wa ya ha na ọni nim. Yes. Wọ́n sọ ebi mu ọyọ bọ dipa àwọn den no. Yes. Ṣe wọn nu nsa akasi gu ọ pa. Yes. Ọmọ na se ẹdin like we say watering trough. Watering trough, as you can see, snow. This is a way of feeding trough or way of watering trough.
We know we lay eggs in
time is saying. Send them make akoko na hu say no. Akoko we like for 2 months to come no betum we lay out. Na ma me say 2 months, 2 weeks to lay out betum the baby see am. It is not yet time for it to lay. Okay. But as at now, you check the weight, you know, it's okay for laying. They are now becoming strong. Like if like 2 weeks way back that you came here, like you will not see it like that.
Oh, from time to time, I will be coming around.
Okay. Okay. So that is it. And this one, they eat a lot.
The white ones.
They eat a lot, but we are managing them. So a day we give them 1 bag. At their age, we give them 1 bag for. Okay. And this one 1.5 because they are laying. Okay. So we have to be on them more than these ones.
Yoke.
Double yoke.
Wow. I wish that could be found.
Double yoke. And on all bar, yoke near me to tell us soon, because I can see we are one so no, because you already. And on BBBB. I can say,
okay.
Oh, abnormal, yes, abnormal. That's the word I want to use. Abnormal. Yes.
Something that is abnormal, but it is eatable.
Yes, like it is abnormal for the birds, not for the human being. Yes.
Wow.
It is.
Peg, what peg in the dead?
Peg, and I say cannibalism. Your video poultry farm, your friend cannibalism. But like you comment that way now. So I'm going to be bitter. According to
hey, one casa kind no. Hey, I feel watching life is a whole lot. That's our telling them. So tell them to subscribe.
See, dear viewers, subscribe to Life is a Whole Lot channel. Yeah, you will see good things. For more updates. Yeah. Subscribe for more updates. You will see more farming.
We will all learn together.
Yes, learn something from farming. Yes, you have to learn something. because farming is really good. So they are helping to bring farming to this thing.
Up there.
Yes.
We are putting farming
Farming
on the map.
yes, for sure. So we have to subscribe, watch their videos and those things, so that they day to day can get the vigor to work, then bring you more information about farming.
I didn't even ask your name.
Fabio Kwenu.
Fabio.
Kwenu.
Can you give us your telephone number so that if someone is watching and he or she needs any assistance, he can call you and
Okay.
give some little inquiries from you?
Okay. My telephone number is 0543
0543
722
722
841.
84.
It's abnormal.
Thanks for giving us these teachings.
Okay, thank you too for visiting our farm.
Thank you.
G Ventures for you.